In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to let clients approve posts before they go live, ensuring that everything is aligned with their expectations and branding. This quick 3-minute guide will give you all the steps you need to streamline the approval process. Now, if you're managing content for clients, one of the biggest headaches can be getting their approval in a smooth and efficient way before anything goes public. Instead of sending emails back and forth, there's a much easier way to do this that saves you time and eliminates confusion. First, we need a reliable software to handle this process. There are lots of tools out there, but after testing all the most popular ones, I'm recommending a specific software that simplifies client approvals. You'll get an exclusive free trial if you stick around and follow along. Just check the link in the description below. That's for viewers of my channel only, so don't miss out on that. Now let's dive into how to actually use this software for client approvals. The first thing you'll want to do is set up your workspace. Once you're in the software, start by creating a new post or project. You'll have options to add your content, whether it's social media posts, blogs, or something else your client needs to review. The beauty of using this software is that it allows you to directly add clients to the project and gives them a simple, intuitive interface to approve or reject posts. After you've uploaded the content, you can assign approval tasks to the client. The software will send them a notification with a link to review the post. This is where you'll want to make sure you set clear deadlines for approval so your workflow doesn't get delayed. The client can click through and approve the post, make comments, or suggest edits directly in the software. If any changes are needed, they can mark specific parts of the content for revision. Once the changes are made, you can resubmit the post for final approval. All of this happens within the platform, which means you're not chasing clients through emails or messages, keeping everything in one place. The key here is to make sure you're using a tool that allows seamless collaboration. The right software allows you to track revisions, store previous versions, and even set up approval workflows. This keeps everyone on the same page and ensures nothing gets lost in the shuffle. If you're using an advanced scheduling tool in the software, you can set up automatic publishing once the content is approved. This way, you don't have to manually schedule posts every time. It's all automated after approval. Remember, the software we're using is super easy to set up and perfect for freelancers, small agencies, or larger teams. If you want to follow along and see exactly how it works in action, be sure to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. So, to wrap up, the key takeaway here is that client approval doesn't have to be a stressful, time-consuming task. With the right tools, you can streamline this process and make sure posts go live only when your clients are happy with them. Here's a quick revision of the main points. Start by uploading your content into the software, assign tasks to your clients, let them approve or comment directly on the post, make any necessary revisions, and use scheduling tools to automate the process once they've approved it. Again, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you improve your client approval workflow.